covered the basics, but now let's make our spreadsheet things logically. This video is all about moving from simple math to decision making with your data and then making sure that the data is clean and reliable. The if function is arguably the most important function for logic. It allows you to check a condition and return one value if the condition is true and another if the condition is false. The function has three parts, or arguments: the logical test, the value if true, and the value if false. For example, imagine you want to automatically label a student's grade as pass or fail. The formula would look like this: equal sign, if, open parenthesis, if B2 is greater than or equal 70, pass. If not, fail. Now, if the score in cell B2 is 70 or greater, it says pass. Otherwise, it will say fail. Building on our knowledge of count, we introduce COUNTIF. This is a conditional function that counts cells within a range that meet a given criterion. The syntax is equals COUNTIF, and the range, the next is criterion. This is excellent for analysis. If you want to know how many sales were made by a specific employee, or you want to count how many records have the word pending, COUNTIF will handle it. The criteria can be numbers, text, or even comparisons like greater than 100. Similarly, the SUMIF functions allow you to sum values in a range that meet a specific criterion. It has slightly different structure, as SUMIF have this syntax: equal sign, SUMIF, range, criterion, sum, and range. You specify the range to check the condition against the condition itself and the separate range containing the values you actually want to add up. This is essential for reporting. For instance, calculating the total revenue from the North region or totaling hours logged under the Project X code. By mastering if, COUNTIF, and SUMIF, you're now moving into intermediate data analysis. Combine that with the power of sorting and filtering, and you can answer almost any question your data holds. Keep practicing, and you'll be a spreadsheet pro in no time.